Within 3 days of distribution of admit cards for Madhyamik and higher secondary examinations, the Tripura Board of Secondary Education (TBSC) has postponed these examinations for the time being, considering the prevailing COVID situation across the state over the second wave of infection. The board has also proposed to hold the examinations when the situation will be conducive with 2-week notice. TBSC President Dr. Bhabatosh Shah, addressing a press conference here on Saturday afternoon, said that a meeting of the examination committee of TBSC was held today morning at the board office under the chairmanship of the board president. After the meeting, the board has decided that, looking in the uprising situation of COVID-19 pandemic all over the country as well as in the state, also taking into account the safety and health measures of the students, it will not be judicious enough to hold the ensuing HS plus 2 and Madhyamik examinations from 18th of May and 19th of May respectively.
আজকে বোর্ডে এক্সামিনেশন কমিটি মিটিং হয়েছে 12টায়। তাতে সর্বসম্মতিক্রমে সিদ্ধান্ত হয়েছে যে বর্তমানে কোভিডের যে পরিস্থিতি চলছে সারা দেশে তথা রাজ্যে, এর পরিপ্রেক্ষিতে পরীক্ষা নেওয়াটা ঠিক হবে না। কাজেই 18 এবং 19 তারিখে যে উচ্চ মাধ্যমিক ও মাধ্যমিক পরীক্ষা হওয়ার কথা ছিল সেটা আপাতত স্থগিত করা হলো। পরিস্থিতি অনুকূল হলে যথাসময়ে 2 সপ্তাহের নোটিশ দিয়ে আবার পরীক্ষা নেওয়া হবে।
যদি পরিস্থিতি অনুকূল না হয়,
যদি না হয় উইল ওয়েট, পরিস্থিতি যাতে অনুকূল হয়, যতদিন না হয় ততদিন আমাদের অপেক্ষা করে তারপর পরীক্ষা।
The examination committee recommended to postpone these examinations for the time being and proposed to hold the examinations when the situation will be conducive within a 2-week notice. He said that during the meeting, members advised to all the candidates to utilize this period and get prepared more competently. While Dr. Shah hoped that board can conduct these examinations in June next if the situation permit them to do so, he also expressed his concern over the uncertain situation and also hoped that the situation will improve and students can move towards their academic activities. Reportedly, altogether 46,610 students will be appearing for Madhyamik examination and 27,205 students will appear for higher secondary examinations. This year, the board has set up 78 examination centers and 162 venues for Madhyamik examination and 62 centers and 90 venues for higher secondary students, which has been increased in consideration of the present COVID situation. But ultimately, the board had to postpone the examinations due to surge in COVID-19 cases in Tripura. Bureau Report, Halabol.